this is Thomas, and today we will be making sugar cookies. These are less like sugar cookies that you then frost later, that you might cut into different shapes. They're more like just chewy, sugary cookies, more like snickerdoodles without the cinnamon. So these are really yummy, and today we are going to make them. So the first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 350. Then you're going to take a small bowl and add in 2 cups of flour, along with half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then you can just mix that around and set it off to the side. Now we're going to take an electric mixer and add in 1 stick or 8 tablespoons of softened butter. And beat that on medium speed for 2 to 4 minutes with 1½ cups of sugar. So I will be back when it is all nice and light and fluffy. Once that's done, you're going to add in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And now you're going to beat that on medium speed until it's all combined. Now you're going to take your dry ingredients and add half of them. Beat that in on low speed. And then you're going to add a 1/4 cup of sour cream or yogurt. And then you're going to add in the rest of your dry ingredients. Now you're going to take a cookie scoop, or if you don't have one, a spoon or just your hands, and you're going to scoop little dough balls and just put them on your tray a few inches apart because these cookies spread a lot. Now you're going to take a little bit more of granulated sugar and just sprinkle a little bit on each of your cookies. Now you're going to put these in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. So I will be back when the first tray comes out, since we should do one at a time. When your cookies are done, you can take them out of the oven to let them cool. These are good when they're warm, but they're also good when they're cooler, so I'll probably wait until the second batch comes out. You could cook these a little bit more than I did if you want a more brown cookie, or less if you want a little less, but I think this is good in the middle. And they're a little bit taller now, but they'll deflate a little bit later on. But you could also flatten them a little bit if you would prefer that. So I will be back in a bit. Now that both of my trays are out, I am going to eat one. So I will do just that. These are really good, and they're also super easy because it only took me a few minutes to make the dough and then put it in the oven. So you should definitely make them. And that is it, and I will see you next week. Goodbye. Now I'm going to go edit this video.